I'm standing here with founder and CEO of Globyz Pharma, Salman Pathan. Thanks very much, Salman, for taking the time this morning to talk to us. And really a really important component of this trip is that we have asked over 100 of your peers the same question: what is the next big thing in pharma?
What I feel is that personalized medicine using cell and gene therapy is going to be the big thing in pharma, and Globyz is well equipped with the ultra low temperature storage and distribution required to store and distribute this type of medicines.
So Salman, you're just a couple of miles away from Philadelphia Airport. You're right on the outskirts of the city. You've had this location for now 4 years and you're looking to expand. Can you tell me about how busy supply chain logistics has been for you and where are you looking to expand to?
We decided to set up our facility here because of the proximity to the Philadelphia International Airport, and it's a big hub, and most of our clients and customers are in and around this area, so it gives us a very strategic location to be here and meet customer requirements.
Now, originally you set up your offices just in the Mississauga, Canada region. That was your first location. You expanded again to another larger location. And as I understand, the comparative sourcing business is something that's extremely hot. Understanding how you can actually get a secondary supply, understanding where those raw materials are coming from. Can you talk to us about how that business works?
In order for companies to develop new treatment, they need a lot of commercial medicines for research purpose. And in order to access these commercial medicines, the innovator companies put a lot of barriers. They don't allow anyone to access those products for research purpose because they feel that it will compromise their future growth of their product. We have some relationship with our larger manufacturers and their wholesalers, so we can access some of those products in the quantity that is required for clinical trials and in the batches that are required for those type of research. We have developed those relationships over a period of time now. So now most of the companies, they come to us when they have some difficulty sourcing this type of product from elsewhere, and we pride ourselves with those relationships.
Now, over the last 5 years, there's been more restrictions put on sourcing materials from outside of the United States. Are you seeing more of the onshoring of comparative sourcing? Are you sourcing more of your relationships from the United States or still from all around the world?
We specialize in sourcing product from all around the world. We have a head office here in Philadelphia, and we have facilities in Canada, Ireland, and India, and Singapore. This gives us access to this type of product from different parts of the world. It gives us advantage in terms of pricing, accessibility, and unnecessary movement of the product from different regions.
So Salman, you've recently announced a new CRO offering to your customer base. I'm guessing that this is a demand that's come from your clients. Can you talk to me about the service and how it's going to expand the overall offering for Globyz?
Our existing customers have been asking for some services that fall under CRO space, and we decided to develop those capabilities in-house so that we can offer them integrated solutions, not just products or services. We provide them integrated solution that saves time and cost, and it helps us and it helps the customers.
So as part of that expansion, as I understand, you're going to be looking at some regulatory services, understanding the regulatory pathway. You're going to be looking at data management, understanding obviously where the information comes in and how that's actually used in a clinical trial. Do you see these two areas to be a challenge internally for your customer base? Is it primarily the smaller CROs that are looking to pull these together, and the innovator companies need an organization with a broader client base?
Small to medium-sized pharma companies, biotech companies, when they go to big CROs, they don't get the services that they deserve from these big CROs. So we are trying to offer these services to them in an integrated way so that timelines are reduced and costs are saved. And our turnaround time is faster than big CROs. So that's why it's attractive for the new small biotech companies to come to us.
Just over the last 36 months, and specifically over the last 18 months, we've seen a tremendous move to decentralizing clinical trials. How do you think that's going to impact Globyz, and do you think that's going to be an advantage?
We have seen increase in all those direct to patient as well as decentralized trials, and we are well equipped because we already have the infrastructure to take care of the clinical supply management of these trials, and we have presence in different regions in the world now, and we can take advantage of these new opportunities.
So Salman, originally born in India, moved your family to Canada and started a family there. You've now expanded into the Philadelphia, US region, also with operations in India, Singapore, and Ireland. Do you see that to be a unique offering to small and medium-sized biotechs that are looking to source, store, and use transportation in those regions?
Clinical trial is highly global, and we have the presence in different regions, so that helps our clients. They don't have to interact with too many vendors. We can provide them solutions under one roof, whether it is different regions or different suppliers from different regions, different storage facilities in different regions. So we can take care of all their clinical trial supply management requirements and under one roof. Thanks for coming to Globyz Philadelphia headquarters, and I'm looking forward to seeing the results for Road to 50 states. Thank you.